Good morning. Good morning. Let's get ready for my day. I thought we'd just do a little something chatty this morning because I miss just chatting. I can't believe I've ruined this necklace again. I've had two of them now and I keep forgetting to take them out before I get in the shower. And they go all like, this was gold. I don't know if I should buy another one because I've only bought this recently. And now it's silver again. So I don't know. I'll put it on, but I guess I can add that to my list of things to do today. Because I know they have, like, last time I was in there, they had a waterproof gold section. But they didn't have anything. Maybe if they have a pendant like this, I could just put it on this string because I like the string. I don't know, I'll have a look. But anyway, I just thought we'd do a chatty get ready with me because I never do one and I really want to make videos again, and I thought let's just make them. I'm in the mood of just make it then. Don't overthink it, just make it. So that's why we're here. That's what we're doing. Anyway, I start my day. I've been having these. Supports metabolism. So I just have two of those. Oh, cool. This is micellar water. I know everybody uses it. This one. Garnier one. But honestly, I think it's been really helping with why my skin's so clear. Because I use it every morning, every night, even if I haven't had makeup on that day. Because your skin just gets grimy. Obviously I had no makeup on overnight, but like it still gathers dirt and stuff, so I feel like cleaning it, it's probably the act of cleaning it rather than micellar water. It's probably the fact that my skin is clean all the time. Oh, I'm tired, man. It is 7 AM, but I did get an extra half an hour of sleep. I was so tired yesterday. I've been trying to find a good game to get into and just struggling. I've been playing No Man's Sky for a minute, and that was fun until it was boring. I just got bored of it. Oh, where's my fan? I love this. It makes me feel fancy, but also it just dries everything in between and I feel like it makes my makeup stay on longer. Double also. I sprayed it with perfume and now every time I find myself it smells really good. So I love that. Ooh. So I use E45 face cream as well. I've got stuff to do today that I'm kind of excited about. It's kind of fun. I put my jeans in, my favorite jeans, because I've been working out. So I've lost weight, which is great, but it means that my jeans don't fit. My favorite jeans, so I put them in for the tailors. Those and another pair of jeans that I really love, they're Ed Hardy, and I've not been able to wear them because if you got a big, then jeans don't fit your waist. If they fit your legs, they don't fit your waist. So I needed the waist taking in, and I love the Ed Hardy jeans. I never wear them just purely because they don't fit properly. They don't fit quite right. So I'm hoping that when I get them back, they're gonna be perfect. Mainly, I look forward to my jeans that are just normal jeans. I look forward to getting those back because I miss them. I'm using this Fenty, oh, it's just a shake. I never shake it. I'm using this Fenty Beauty soft lit liquid foundation, and I literally do a small amount. Oh, that was quite a lot. Let's just start with that. And I don't do any on my forehead. I mostly just concentrate on this area because it's really the only place I need it. But I don't try and do too much because I feel like it goes quite far. I only want a thin layer, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're gonna pick up my jeans today. I'm excited for that. It'd be really nice if they fit perfectly. Fit like a glove. And it only cost me like £40. That's great. I don't know how much I was expecting it to cost, but that wasn't even per jean, that was like both jeans. Like both jeans, £21 to get them tailored. So I'm gonna have tailored jeans that should fit me perfectly. That would be great, because I hate a belt. I'm not doing belts. I'm not messing around with that. Belts are not comfortable. I don't care. I'm not doing it. So I also, because like I said, I really want to start vlogging. I've been looking at vlog cameras and stuff, but I have a camera and I'm just like, girl, you don't even vlog, you're gonna buy a whole camera just so you can. But it's because of the inconspicuousness of some of these cameras. I feel like you want, if you're nervous like me, I feel like you want something small, not like a big camera that I'm holding that's like, that bitch is obviously fucking vlogging. So, you know what I mean? I've been looking at cameras that are really small, so can't really tell. Some of them are, the one I was looking at is the Osmo Pocket 3. That looks really cool. And then also the Insta360 Go, which is this big. but then the camera pops out of it as well. So then the camera pops out and it's like this big, and the back bit of the camera is magnetic, so you could put it on anything. And I think that's really cool. But my mother has a Canon PowerShot V10, and that's the size of a credit card. And so I'm thinking I might borrow that and test that out and see if, because then I will know, is it gonna be worth getting a camera? Does this actually make anything any easier? But off the back of that, it means today I'm gonna look at wireless microphones that can clip on, because if you're out and about, I guess it's noisy. And what's next in my step? I don't even know. So it's noisy and whatever. So I wanted to look at microphones. Like, I'm not gonna get any today, but I just wanted to have a look. So that's on my list as well. But it's also supposed to be 24 degrees Celsius today. So hopefully get a little bit of sunbathing in. That would be great. That's why I'm wearing, this is a sheer cardigan, but I'm wearing a strapless top because I don't like tan lines personally. And so I'm thinking if it's gonna be hot, at least then I can just bake no tan lines. So that is the plan, hopefully. I'm doing bronzer. This is my everyday makeup. I do like to keep it quite minimal, to be fair. Just think it's cute. I like my face. Not that if you wear loads of makeup you don't like your face, but like, I don't know, I just like it. Whenever I've done like full beat, it's cute. But for every day, I end up sitting there and just feeling like a bit too cakey and a bit like, why have I got so much makeup on my face? So I try and keep this very minimal. I also bring, like, I have a Fenty powder foundation compact that I do bring around with me. So like, if I do feel like I need, I don't know, a touch up or something, which I don't usually, but then I can. I also try and I like all this being left and bright. So I really only do the edges with the bronzer. Like I said, I don't really do my forehead because Miss Naomi Campbell said that she doesn't. So now I don't. And then some blush. I've got a holiday soon, so I feel like I'm in holiday mode. Personally, I'm already in holiday mode. So going to Spain soon. Gonna make a little vlog video there, hopefully. I'm sure I will. That was a lot easier. Because the other thing about vlogging in public is, like, I live here. I'm gonna see people I know, or people are gonna see me. Oh God, that's a horrible thought. I don't want you to see me and I'm talking to a freaking camera walking around. That's so embarrassing. But that's not embarrassing, and you can't let embarrassment hold you back, because then you won't do anything interesting. You think all your faves let embarrassment stop them? Of course not. So you can't let it stop you. I know this, but it is kind of hard, I find it. Okay, so in Spain, I'm gonna do some filming and stuff, because I also feel like it's, as much as it's a way to obviously post a little YouTube video, it's also a really good way to just, like, have memories. Sometimes I watch my old videos back because I'm just like, oh, this was cute. I remember when I did this. But I've ordered some outfits as well, so maybe we'll make a little try on packing video. Who knows? Maybe we won't. But I ordered some stuff, so that'll come, because I don't usually, when I go to Spain, wear hot. Honestly, I just end up wearing the same thing every day because it's so hot that I'm just like, throw this thing on, go about my life. But this time I'm gonna make an effort. This time I'm actually gonna try. This time I'm gonna make an effort. I ordered some cute stuff. I think I ordered stuff that I feel like I could wear other than the holiday as well, because I don't like buying stuff for just one thing anymore. I used to be that way, I feel like we all used to be, but those days are gone. We need stuff that's multifunctional. So I ordered some stuff. So that'll be coming soon, that'll be nice. And then I'm getting my hair done this weekend. I'm super indecisive though, and you can't really be indecisive when you book to have the hair done, because I booked one thing, changed my mind, then she had to change the appointment because I had changed my mind, and now I've changed my mind again, but I haven't told her. Because basically I used to get this half up, half down. I'd get it rowed back, and then it would be boxed at the back, and it would mean that I could still do hairstyles, but it was out of my face because I like my hair out of my face. but I feel like it was pulling my edges out too much. But I was getting it often, so I feel like it might have been the frequency that I was getting it. But obviously now I'm kind of scared. So I then opted for like, well, let's just get normal box braids then. But then, I don't know, I don't want that. I want my hair, I want it half back, half boxed. It's just I'm scared it's gonna pull my hair out because I actually feel like I can see it where my hair's been pulled out and it's not really grown back. So I don't know, I guess I just gotta speak to her about it. Can we do it looser? I don't know though, because I don't think it's a her problem. I feel like it's a style problem. You know what I mean? Let's get some lips on because I actually feel like, ew, gross. Well, I can't find my lip liner, so this is a brown eyeliner. I'm gonna use it, fuck it. It's fine, it's a bit dark. My normal lip liner is more like a orangey undertone, I guess, than this, but it really don't matter. And then I'm just gonna do gloss. Cute, simple and cute. And then just some mascara. And then we can get on to whatever's next. Don't have any eyeliner on, but it's cute though. The no eyeliner look, it's like simple. Ooh. Oh, of course. But I think I found you. Stab myself in the eye, classic. Now I feel like my lashes have gone weird. Oh my God. No, it's not cute anymore. Oh my God, it was giving. How am I gonna take this off without smearing it all over my face? Oh my God, this is so annoying. But it is easier because obviously I don't put any makeup on this part of my face, under my eyes and stuff. Well, I do sometimes, just haven't done. My everyday makeup does not consist of it. So at least it's easier because of that. Let's try that again. It's kind of a mess. I don't even know if you can tell, but eye to eye, it's kind of a mess now. But I think it'll be okay. I think it's like, sometimes it's just not that deep. Fine, let's do the other eye. Move on, don't dwell on it. I feel like it smells fear, honestly. I'm not scared, it's fine. I'm gonna just get a cotton bud and clear it up a little bit. Okay. This is actually a teddy. It's supposed to be like this. Cute. This eye is fucked up, but it's okay. I think I'll wear hoops today. These are kind of fucked up now. No, it's ugly, I don't like it, but I'm scared. I feel like putting on more is not the thing to do. Eyeliner. Okay, it's done. What's done is done, honey. So the only other thing to do, I'm just gonna, I'm sick of this. The Velcro on my makeup bag keeps pulling on this and it's obviously fragile. I'm just gonna do powder now. I really only dust on this. Let me just make sure there's nothing on this. So this is actually a case for these powder puffs. How cute is that though? But I just find them really handy. So I use the Revolution banana powder and I just pour a bunch in here. And I just find it so convenient, especially because that's the top. So inconvenient. And then obviously it clips closed. And then I just have powder in here. Anyway, whatever. And then, I can't remember who told me this. Do the excess, it was somewhat a celebrity on the Vogue videos. And then that's all I do. I just make sure there's no big clumpy bits. I've been trying to learn to contour my nose lately. And I feel like I have been semi-successful. I think the hardest part I've found is finding the right color. I haven't contoured today, evidently. I never used to, so I don't feel like it's something I have to do, but I don't know, I feel like the color is the hardest part. I feel like, I guess everybody probably feels that way, but I don't know. I've been liking doing it. That's all I do because I don't like looking too powdery or anything like that, you know what I mean? Just make sure it's blend. That's pretty much it. I just make sure I get any makeup off of my beauty marks. That's pretty much it. Nothing crazy, just simple cuteness. And then earrings. I don't know what earrings to wear today. I have these little cute ones. I have 2 piercings in my lube. So I like putting the, I feel like it makes more sense to do the bigger one at the back and the small one at the front. I won't elaborate on that because I don't know how to explain why that makes more sense to me. It just does make more sense. So I'm thinking just hoops. I have these hoops. I have hoops like this as well. Maybe these ones, I feel like they're a bit more subtle. They're just like more of what I'm feeling today, I think. So I'm gonna do these. You know what I mean? If it was here, it would be like that. That doesn't make sense. I don't know. Do you understand what I'm saying? To me, that doesn't make any sense. I feel like it should be the big ones should be at the back. Because then now you see both, whereas you wouldn't see both. I don't know if that's gonna, that'll be fine. Hey, hey. And then these are my rings that I wear. It's just this little heart-shaped heart one. And then the other one is like this. They're just from like a local handmade place. Let me clear up a little bit because I can't even string together a thought with all this right in front of me. Ocean. I found my Louis Vuitton holdall, which is so random to say like, I found it, but like I've had it the whole time. And then I just remembered, like, I love this bag. Oh wait, we forgot highlight. I use an eyeshadow palette for highlight, Naked 3, and I literally just do that. I've used this palette for highlight for years because I just think this one shade is really nice and I don't care what anyone says. I don't care that it's not a highlight. I really don't. That's nothing to do with me. We also don't like glittery highlighters. And I feel like a lot of highlighters are glittery. We just got some shine. I'd put a little bit of sting. So now we're getting on to hair. What do you think? Do you like my makeup though? It's simple, it's just cute. I feel like it just, this is me. I feel like this is what I look like. Right, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll be back. So give me a second. All right, it's done. So this is the vibe. I feel like I should zoom out now that you can see everything more than I wanted you to see. But anyway, so this is the vibe. I feel like I need to cut some of these hairs. I feel like too long now. I'm scared. Just a little though, nothing crazy. Just so it's out of my, this one, get him out of there. Don't be afraid to cut your hair, it's fine. And then I feel like this one needs to be short so it's like framing a little bit. Get rid of him. This one's super curly. I don't know if I should cut it or not. It's like a ringlet. Oh. Look, you know what? You can even tell, so who cares? Actually, let's get rid of him. There we go, cool. But this is my look for today. I'm gonna spray some, this is just water. Cool, cute, fine, lovely. That's it, I guess. Oh, I'll show you my outfit. That's what we'll do next. I need to decide on shoes. So let me put socks on because I'm not doing that for free. Just give me a second. I don't know how well you can realistically see because I'm wearing all black. But basically, like I said, I got this on. This is the strapless top. And then this skirt, you can even see it's ribbed. Not ribbed, but it's tiered. So this is the outfit. And then because I'm like, because I just got back from Beyonce, I'm a little bit obsessed with that. So I was gonna wear my cowboy boots because that would have looked cute. But then I remembered what I actually wanted to wear is I got these little sandals. Let me just cut the tags off. I got these little sandals. Just wanted to wear those. Keep it cute, keep it catch. Oh, now I don't know actually, because no, I don't think that's right. I don't think that looks nice. So let's do cowboy boots. This is my dog. You wanna come say hi? This is Bear. He's waiting to go outside for his morning toilet break. He's got a belly full of breakfast. The sweetest cake ever. So, what time even is it? I don't even know. These are my cowboys. They're really comfortable. I love this whole, even Beyonce aside, the girlies are loving cowboy boots. And these cowboy boots are so comfortable that I'm just like, yeah, this is great. I'm glad that this is a thing because they're so comfy. I don't mind wearing them at all. This is it with the cowboys. Is that better? I think it is. I feel like that's better. Kind of hard to show you the whole thing, but you get the vibe. I guess I could try and show you in the mirror. There we go. Keeping it cash. There's some of these hairs that just needs a new reshape. That's fine. Got this one. That's fine too. Just needs like a rounded reshape. There's still some of them, but I don't want to go crazy, so I'm just gonna leave it. It's not deep. That's the vibe. I guess I'm done. So this is my bag. I put my Cowboy Carter thing on it. I also have it on my wrist as well. So that's it. That's the whole vibe. My Renaissance cup. Thank you for getting ready with me, and if you enjoyed this video, I'll definitely make more because this was kind of fun. 2 birds, 1 stone. So I love you, and I will see you next time.